going on YouTube? It's your boy Dope Run, guys. I know a little tired, you know what I'm saying? Got up not too long ago. But today's question is about Derma Roller. You know, a lot of people have asked me, yo, the run, you know, what do you use for your, you know, what kind of, do you need a Derma Roller? Yo, the run, do you have to use a Derma Roller when you're on the Minoxidil? Yo, the run, do I really gotta buy a Derma Roller? Now, here's, guys, the answer to your question is you don't really need a Derma Roller, you know, but at the same time, the Derma Roller is to help stimulate your beard growth. So if you're one of the few people like me that have a really hard time growing a beard, then the Derma Roller is going to be very useful for you because it's going to help stimulate your beard growth. You know, so it's a lot of people out there that's been on a Minoxidil journey for like a month or two, and they see a lot of great results without using a Derma Roller. But it's also a lot of people out there that have been on a Minoxidil journey for like 3-4 months and they don't see enough results. So that's where the Derma Roller comes in play. You know, when you're those type of people that don't, you know, that don't have that type of DNA, that don't have those type of genes that you can just grow hair whenever you want, you can grow a beard whenever you want. Like a Derma Roller comes in a big play. You know, applying them a Derma Roller with the Minoxidil. You know what I'm saying? You're killing two birds with one stone with it. That's the other way around. But y'all get what I'm saying though. With the Derma Roller and the Minoxidil, you're getting a high chance of growing the beard faster versus just the Minoxidil. So if you feel like you've already started growing your beard for, you know, very fast, there's no need for you to get a Derma Roller. But if you feel like your gains are very slow, then I would include Derma Roller, which will help stimulate your beard growth. So, you know, guys, the answer is really optional. You know, I can't tell you you don't need it, and I can't also tell you that you need it. It's all up to you. You have to know your body. You got to know if your hair is growing fast or if it's growing slow, and from there you should be making that decision that, hey, look, since my hair is growing very slow, then I'm gonna go for the Derma Roller, you know, which I would encourage you to do. But if it's growing pretty fast, then you don't need a Derma Roller. Just let it go fast. You know what I'm saying? You're already getting the gains that you need. So why include Derma Rolling? You don't need it. But Derma Rolling is for everyone, but not everyone have to use a Derma Roller. You know what I'm saying? Depending on the speed of the process. It's your boy The Run, guys. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys drop it down in the description below, guys. But before we go to any other topic, you know what I'm saying, before we close out, guys, I want you guys to check these games real quick. Alright, check the games. Check the games out. Alright, you guys can see now. Let's see here. You see, this thing was getting patchy and now it's getting filled up. Same thing here too. It was getting patchy and now here it's starting to grow. And you know, this is with Derma Rolling. And look, right here. You see here? And guys, look, even when you zoom closer, right here, you see like hair is growing now. Because before, my hair was just down low, and now it's starting to catch up. It's coming up. It's even coming on the side now. See this? It's coming up on the side. Coming up on the side right now. Same thing here. It's coming up the side. So this is Derma Rolling plus Minoxidil. See here at the bottom? See that? So you be the judge of that. Do I really need a Derma Roller? I guess so. So if you're just like me and you're trying to get your gains up, then, you know, go ahead and get that Derma Roller. Alright, 0.5 millimeters what I use. That's what a bad boy look like. Anyway, guys, so that's all for today, guys. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys drop it in the description below. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to this channel. I know my energy is very low today, guys, because wow, last night I was turned last night. My energy went down this morning for some reason, but I'm gonna try to keep my energy up for you guys, and make sure that you guys also share this video. And if you're a lady watching this video, make sure you holler at your boy. Tell them to check out the Ron if you want to grow a freaking beard. Make sure y'all join my Minoxidil group page as well at Minox Kings. I'm gonna drop the description below, and that the Minoxidil, the Minox King Facebook group page is for everybody on here that's, you know, really trying to grow a beard, and they want, you know, you guys want advices from other people, you guys want to see other people's results. You know, you guys should be joining this group page, man. You know, everybody on there, you know what I'm saying, we all, you know, we all like a freaking Minoxidil family. You know, we all support each other, we all push each other, we all help each other out when it comes to growing a freaking beard. It's your boy, The Ron, guys. And look, I just released my new shirt. I'm gonna drop down a small commercial, you know, I just made for that new shirt. Make sure y'all check out that shirt. You know, let's get some sales in. I appreciate all the OG subscribers that have been purchasing shirts from me. Much love, much appreciated. And all my OG subscribers, if you guys didn't get a shirt, make sure y'all get a shirt and be part of the group. You know what I'm saying? Pete, let's support the brand. Let's push the brand. We're gonna bring this brand higher than expected. It's your boy, The Ron, y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram as well at __The Ron_.